In this video, we will explore top design styles for enterprise application onboarding.
Modifications, even in distributed environments like Kubernetes or Spark. Get full visibility with no SLA impact. Sampling continuously using eBPF technology with wide language support. Get a system-wide view across any environment in Codebase at any scale. Improve performance and reduce cloud spend.
Add Segment to your application, which starts collecting data. You can add Segment to your website, mobile apps and servers, or cloud app, like your email marketing tool, help desk, or payment system. When a customer interacts with one of your sources, Segment captures it and sends it to your destination. Destinations, which are tools for things like advertising,
gets a result they are happy with. Planning with Cards also gives you a dashboard. You can import stories from your favorite project management platform. And it also shows you information about every round of the estimates of each team member. With the dashboard, you can visualize this information in one place. Improve your software project.
And at some point, lose track of who is doing what and when. So they plan ahead by breaking down large-scale projects into smaller pieces and allocate tasks to available resources. Introducing Roadmap. Roadmap is a simple...
CloudTamer IO is now Kion. Kion is the first solution that combines cloud governance and cloud management. The result is cloud enablement, empowering people to do what they need to do in the cloud, removing obstacles to their work, streamlining processes, simplifying cloud complexity.
Review it and quickly send it to the seller. Just a few hours later, you celebrate over dinner because you already closed that deal. And that's because your bank understood you and were more proactive and personalized in how they interacted with you, providing access to the future you had always wanted without you even knowing it.
Also eliminates the need for additional apps, logins, and workflows that frustrate clinicians and IT teams alike. And labor-intensive quarterly updates occur automatically. This ensures valuable information keeps flowing to those who need it without more time and attention from IT. But we can do more than help make your...
As soon as you hit a few bumps or your business starts to grow, it's going to be harder and harder to maintain forward progress. Sage Intacct Planning provides a comprehensive, cloud-based solution that gives your small to mid-market business the ability to strategize your best course.
Manage the more innovative, high-value work. Using our code refactoring platform, one of several powerful AI tools in our NCI framework, government agencies can continue to develop on their legacy code while AI continuously modernizes your changes.
We use an AI.
And your company might be at risk. But which ones are actual threats to your company? How can you know? Well, you could take 1,000,000 years to sift through the data, organize it, dump it into spreadsheets, and getting ahead of all this data before you're breached is tough, almost impossible. So what now? Wave the white
for WooCommerce. This integration will enable you to automate your order processing as well as seamlessly manage your store, from synchronization of your inventories to real-time stock updates. Also, smooth order management is important to serve customers without delay. Our solution ensures...
But first, we are people who listen, solve, build, who navigate your digital evolution with tenacity, passion, innovation, who guide your strategy to reality with focus on delivering business value as your cloud solutions integrator. Dedication to
costs every year. Centralized banks, localized regulation, and technical differences make it difficult to move capital and assets between intermediaries. But there's a better way. Decentralized finance, or DeFi for short, offers an adaptable framework where both traditional and innovative new financial applications.
Think of Miles as your virtual business partner, taking care of everything. It's a contract managing system enveloping the complete life cycle of your contracts, from quotations to remarketing. Tweak Miles to exactly match your business processes and seamlessly integrate with other systems through APIs and web services.
Exactly the products that they're interested in based on the frequency and time frame of their purchase history. You can even give them lucrative offers for related products instantly while they are at your store. What about weekend shopaholics? You know they shop on weekends based on their purchase history. So why not send a target?
But it's all centralized in the cloud, right? So no worries until you want to actually use it. At Trifacta, we make it faster and easier to prepare messy data into useful and valuable information. Our cloud data engineering platform natively integrates with your cloud data warehouse.
Precious metals business, which is why PM Execute includes real-time margin monitoring and position keeping. We are also a direct participant in both the London Gold and Silver benchmarks. It is a unique feature of PM Execute that allows you to place your benchmark order.
Interactions with your business directly affects the profitability of your enterprise. Getting pairing right leads to a remarkable increase in performance. At Affinity, we've built a way to pair better. Our artificial intelligence platform identifies and predicts subtle and valuable patterns of human behavior.
Consumption, credit-based allocation, elastic firewall sizing, and a la carte security services. Flexible consumption uses software firewall credits instead of individual licenses, freeing you from difficult forecasting exercises and long procurement cycles. Credits give you complete freedom to quickly procure the precise mix of security controls.
Should be able to focus on gathering accurate data and using it to keep your processes running smoothly, rather than spending valuable time on adjusting and maintaining your measurement instruments. The Vaisala Indigo family of next-generation instruments for industrial measurement includes intelligent, interchangeable, standalone measurement probes and
early 1900s, when John Dolby founded a company to work with Thomas Edison's dictation invention. Together, they brought this new documentation technique to business people everywhere. Fast forward 100 years later, and you'll find that Dolby has continued to provide the productivity and accuracy of dictation and transcription to those who need it. Not only does Dolby's
give employees and their families a place to get free, comprehensive medical care, including free primary care visits, free generic drugs, and free lab tests, along with a helpful app to keep appointments, contact information, and health records at the ready. We also offer free 24/7 doctor on call for advice and prescriptions.
The business. Aligning everyone takes too long. Being able to do fast scenario planning remains a dream for most companies. And as the business changes, old planning tools are too rigid to adapt to the new reality. This is why so much happens in spreadsheets. Many spreadsheets. Lots of spreadsheets.
Customers are not always comfortable in sharing that they might be vulnerable. They may be reluctant to do so, or simply are unaware of their situation. This makes it difficult for advisors to uncover subtle clues to detect it, and puts your organization at risk of non-compliance, with hefty fines for failing to identify and apply
data and infrastructure to develop and release applications faster. This unique approach is made possible by a modern data management solution. First, Cohesity ensures all your backup data is on one software-defined scale-out platform, eliminating silos even as your business and data footprint grows. Next, you have
capabilities to ensure your data can be fully trusted to provide the level of integrity demanded by today's analytics, and unleashes the potential of scalable data platforms to deal with exponentially growing volumes of data on-premise and increasingly in the cloud. Release the value of